Hi guys. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you guys how to use or turn in things in Edsby. I know that some of you were struggling with that, and so just so that we know what Edsby looks like, this is our this is basically like my homepage. So when you come to my class, it looks like this. Here in the center is where I post um, information. So that's where you will see notes from me. This is my most recent note to you guys. Anything that I post here is important and you need to read it. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see I post reminders at least a couple of times a week. And then also you will see assignments posted here. So if something has this little graduation cap, it's an assignment. That means that it's something that you need to do. Um, I also post here videos and links that might help you in completing things. So for example, if we come to this first assignment, Manifest Destiny here, it tells you what to do. So in Clever, access your textbook. These are your instructions. This specific assignment has no submission in Edsby. What that means is that you don't have to turn anything in Edsby. You are doing this assignment in McGraw-Hill, and that's it. So you're submitting it in McGraw-Hill. Now, and here, if you look here, it tells you when it's due. This assignment was due Saturday, April 4th at 12 a.m. So you had till midnight to turn this assignment in on Saturday, April 4th. I did extend that, so no worries. I extended that until tonight. Now, let's see. This other assignment does have a submit button. So what does that mean? So this assignment, just like the other one, it tells you your instructions, but when you come to the assignment, you get to upload. So this is how you submit to me your assignment when it says submit. So when I say turn something in Edsby, this is what I mean. You come to your assignment, let's say you have a note as to why you turned something in late, or you have a question about your assignment, or you wanted to give me specific information before turning it in that explains why you did it a certain way. So this assignment, I wanted you to upload a screenshot of your completed assignment in IXL. So I wanted you to go to IXL when you were done with all of your IXL lessons and take a screenshot of the page that shows that you finished them, right? Then you would come here to upload that picture. So you would pick the picture, open it, and it would save here to this assignment. Once you're done, then you press submit. And by submitting, you are turning it into me. So that is how I can receive an assignment from you in Edsby. If you don't press submit, I do not get it. If you are curious, okay, how do I know what I'm supposed to be doing? Well, go to my work. When you go to my work, it tells you right here under assessments. Assessments are assignments. So you come to assessments and it shows you all of your assignments. It'll even show you your grade here when the grade is available. So you have, this student has one ungraded assignment, Manifest Destiny. It was submitted. Okay, that means this assignment was turned in. This one, on the other hand, has not been submitted. So if it says submit, that means that you did not turn it into me. And you need to turn it into me. So you need to upload a picture of your assignment. And then it'll also have like upcoming assignments. Like if I have a new assignment that gets posted, it'll show up here as well. And then this is where you can adjust. Like if you want to see last quarter, you can go here. This is the current quarter. All right. So this is where you turn in assignments to me when I say, hey, turn in this assignment in Edsby. Also, for those of you that aren't aware, don't understand, I would really prefer it if you guys not write me here. Do not type a note here, because when you type a note here, this goes to the entire class. Everyone in your class can see it. If you need to send me a message, come to messages. And this is where you would write me a message. So you would type Ms. Vazquez, and not coming up. Let's see. Here you go. It's me. Vazquez, grade 6, grade 7, 12. That's me. Pierce Middle School. Okay? So you would write me a message there, here, and that's how you ask me a question. Do not write it in the main timeline right here. All right. Also, this side over here, pinned items. Pinned items, those are like important things. Those are messages that I put them there because I want them to stay at the top and to be visible and accessible to you at all times. Because these things are, for example, here it tells you what is expected of you in the class, like what you need to do in order to pass this class, what I expect from you. That's this top one, and you can read the whole thing by clicking more. Okay? Then down here, the next one is how to turn in assignments. So I actually found a YouTube video that tells you how to turn in assignments in Edsby, and I posted that because I wanted you guys to have a reference to know how to do it, but some of you are still struggling, so I'm making this other video. And then this last pinned post is my office hours. So I am available for immediate response between 9 and 5. If you are writing me before 9 a.m. or after 5 p.m., you have to understand I will not get back to you immediately. I am trying to set a work-life balance, and I hope you guys are too. So it's going to be up to you to manage your time and when you decide to do your work. But if you are doing your work and have questions out of these hours, I may not be available to answer you right away. So it's imperative that you are managing your time and starting your lessons early in the week. Because if you're working in the evenings and you leave my work for the day before it's due, and you're working out of my office hours, you may not get the help that you need. So I recommend you start working early in the week to make sure that everything is done and submitted by the due date. All right, let's see. Journal, we won't really be using the journal feature, but if you are, when you first get to Edsby, on the right hand side, it actually tells you have a little calendar here, and it'll tell you when you have something due. So it'll tell you something's overdue, it'll tell you if you have something new due, and today's a Sunday, so nothing is due, but tomorrow this would have, see, like if you go to the next day, those are all the classes a student has. Alright, so I hope that answers your guys' questions about submitting assignments and what I mean by turning something into me in Edsby. Thank you. Email me if you guys have any questions.